When was the last time you used the word fresh to describe your vagina? That's right, ladies, we're talking about your vajayjay, and it's time to get real. Dryness, odor, itch, pain, and don't even get me started on BV and yeast infections. Freak, what if you feel like you're on fire? Your vagina has its own delicate ecosystem, and when balanced properly, makes you feel fresh. Most companies sell you harsh chemicals, soaps, and lubes. It's time to ditch the toxins and get Mother Nature fresh. At True Love Skincare, we created the Balance Pack using only pure and direct nutrition so that you can be the goddess of fresh. Private paste, you just use a pea-sized amount during or after the shower and put it all the places, inside too. Feminine Balm is your cream for on the go to use in between showers, and Intimacy is your lubricant for sex.
Cut!